How to copy TikTok profile URL link. Today I'll show you exactly how to copy your TikTok profile link super fast and easy, so let's jump right in. First things first, open your TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three dots or share icon at the top right corner. If you cannot find it, if your app is updated, you'll find an option called share profile. Simply tap on it. Now, here you can see a QR code. You can simply share that, or if you want to simply share your profile link, you can simply tap on copy link right here, and that's it. Your TikTok profile URL is now copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste your link anywhere, buy your messages, or even promote your profile. And that's it. That's how you can simply find and share TikTok profile URL link.